Okay, hello, this is Bob here. I was just going to make a quick video here about how I repair a Rubbermaid mop bucket. As you can see on this one, I've left one in just to show you that it's frozen. It's locked up here. The easiest way I found to get these out is just take this screwdriver or anything just to kind of just pry it up out. And these inserts will they'll stay in there. They come out too, actually. If you ever go to replace these, they sell, I think, the whole assembly. You can see what happens over time. I mean, you could try to spray silicone or WD-40, or I prefer silicone myself, but this is the real problem. You get rust build up. Okay, and that's really what you need to address. So even though if you spray some lubricant down in there, it may help a little bit, but it's gonna just, this is what needs to be removed. What I do is I take a Dremel with a sandpaper edge. Okay. Alright, now there's a groove here, so when you push it down in there, it kind of snaps in. And what you want to be careful not to do is, I'm going to sand this in here, but I'm going to kind of do it real quick just to get the best I can out of here. And I could also use a wire brush in there too. But I'll use the Dremel tool to kind of get a little bit of it, but not too much, because you don't want to deform this groove. Because if you take too much off, the wheel will always fall out. It won't snap in like it's supposed to, okay? And also, for these inserts, what I do is I spray a little bit of silicone in there, silicone lubricant, and I'll use like a wire brush like this, okay? But, whatever remnants is down in there, maybe some rust fell off or whatever, if it just, so I'll just kind of clean it out with the lubricant, is the way I do it. Okay, so I'm going to finish this one. Alright. Looks pretty good. Use a wire brush to just kind of and I've already pretty much addressed the issue with these as far as cleaning them out. I've already sprayed the silicone in there and let it set. I'll spray a little bit more because I sprayed it in and then went out in the yard and sprayed it in all of them and let it sit. Used the brush a little bit, went out in the yard, and then dumped it over so the excess silicone. So I'm just going to spray a little bit in there. You don't want to do too much because when you put this on, sometimes it squirts out at you. Okay, so that's much better right there. It seems like, yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to do that to all of the wheels. Okay. I mean, you could probably do this with a wire brush as well, but a Dremel is a great tool to have just for everything, a lot of things. So if you don't have one, they're not that expensive, but you would spend more on purchasing new wheels or a brand new mop bucket. So this is the way to go. I'm all about repair. finished product. Alright, well, and again, if you want to buy these, I think there is some aftermarket wheels that I think you can get for like, I think it was like $25 or $30 maybe for a set of 4, which isn't too bad, I guess. But you know, hey, if you can do this, then you know, it's practically free. So anyway, hope this helps. Hope the video helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.